Your wish, oh, slime. Yay! Axel, excited ka, Axel?
Yes!
Yeah. Kaya libre ba yan? At least may libre. Supportive tatay. Wow.
Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay!
Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, and go back. Go, go.
Go! Yay! Yay! Party tatay.
And 3, 2, 1, go!
Tapos na, tapos na! Punoy mo! Oh! Punoy mo!
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Walang easy? Easy ba? Easy pala.
Oh, galing ah. Hop! Oh, sayang. Ay. Ay, ito siya dito.
All you need to do is to press all the big buttons only, okay? But we need to hide from the big eye. If one of the green eye turns into red, like that, you will hide in the opposite side of the wall. You will hide in the wall, okay? So sa likod lang okay? Because that heart represents your life. So if the heart is gone, it means your game is over, okay? So you need to hide. So remember, press all this blue button. Okay, press that guy. Go. Yes. Okay. Ready.
Watch CC muna. Watch CC muna, ha? Stay here. You ready? Parang kay Sir Gavin? Ayun o, kailangan mong tambahin yun o. Smile.
Are you ready?
Go Sam! You can do it!
Ready.
Say vamos!
3, 2, 1.
Good, tatama mo yun!
Tapos ka na?
Huwag ka tatalon ha?
Good job.
Now, I don't wanna go. This one is scary, that one is scary, but the other challenges are easy. Axel, you can do this.
It's a mixed emotion.
Ah!
It's okay boy. Hold on tight ha? Hold on tight.
Axel, okay? Hold on tight. If you need to kick the I don't know. That's the last challenge.
Huwag ka tatalon ha?
The other side. Yeah.
Boy. It's okay. Kapit ka. Go boy! Hold! You know? Hold lang, hold lang! Okay, hold lang! Wait! Hold lang!
Kaya na ba?
Ano?
Yay!
Because it was stinky.
Ito po. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Aksa! Blow the candle! Yay! Smile!